If you have ever stared at a blank code file wondering where to start, or paid someone to build a simple script you needed yesterday, Claude Code is about to change your workflow. It is an AI coding agent that works directly inside your terminal, writing, editing, and running code on your behalf. Let me show you exactly how to get started. First, you need Node.js installed on your machine. Grab it free at nodejs.org if you do not have it. Then open your terminal and run the command npm install g at anthropic.ai/claudecode. This installs Claude Code globally so you can use it in any project folder. Once installed, type Claude in your terminal and hit enter. It will prompt you to authenticate with your Anthropic account. You will need a paid Claude plan for full access. Follow the login steps in the browser window that opens, and you are connected. Now navigate into the folder where you want Claude Code to work. Use the cd command to move into your project directory, then type Claude again to launch an interactive session rooted in that folder. Claude Code can now read, create, and edit any file in that location. Now just describe what you need in plain English, as if you were briefing a developer. For example, build me a Python script that reads a CSV file and outputs a formatted summary report. The more specific you are about inputs, outputs, and edge cases, the better the result you will get. Before writing a single line of code, Claude Code will show you its plan, what files it intends to create, what it will modify, and the overall approach. This is your moment to review. If the plan looks off, give it a correction before approving. This review step is especially important for tasks that will overwrite existing files. Once you approve, Claude Code writes the code, runs it, reads the output, and if there is an error it fixes itself and tries again. You can watch this loop happen in real time right in your terminal. This autonomous debug cycle is what saves the most time. No more Googling error messages at midnight. When Claude Code signals it is done, open the output and test it yourself before you use it in a real workflow. Run the script, check that the output matches what you expected, and read through any new files it created. AI-generated code can have subtle logic errors, so a quick human check here protects you. Claude Code holds context within the session, so you can keep refining. Type a follow-up like add error handling for missing columns, or export the results as a PDF. Each follow-up is applied to the existing code without starting over. This iterative loop is how you go from a rough first draft to a polished, production-ready script. Install Claude Code, point it at your project folder, describe what you need, review the plan, and let it build and debug for you. This workflow turns hours of frustrating trial and error into a focused 10-minute session. Try it on a real task you have been putting off this week, a data script, a web scraper, or an automation tool, and see how fast you can ship.